Alright, today is November 14th, 2018. I had a great watch list. I'm going to go ahead and pull it over into the screenshot. I was looking at these earnings plays, and yeah, all of them were earnings plays actually. And this one here, the MTOR, is the one I traded to the downside because it had good earnings, but it guided to the future earnings down. So SWCH, MTSI, ALDX, AMRS, REZI, UPL, and CVIA, and then this one here at the bottom was one I played. So again, I put this watch list out every morning, no later than 8:15 Central Standard Time, 9:15 Eastern Standard Time. So you can see this hot watch list, and I get indicators and studies that pop up on my Thinkorswim account. Thinkorswim platform. I'm using Thinkorswim for my trading platform, but no, my charting platform, and I'm using SureTrader to execute all my trades. So SureTrader has been pretty good. I haven't had any problems with them. A lot of people dislike SureTrader, but I like them so much. I'm not switching for any reason right now. It is an offshore broker, but I'll probably move that money back up on shore at a later time. But for right now, I'm a satisfied customer. So they have a lot of shorts that are not available in a lot of other brokers. You can actually check some of the other brokers. You can check Speed Trader, IB, E-Trade, and some of the other names. But once you check those brokers and see if they have the particular ticker, and they don't, SureTrader sure enough have them. So I'm pleased with them. So I'm executing on SureTrader, and I'm using TD Ameritrade for my charting platform. All right, let's get to the trade. There it is right there. So I got in on this trade. Oh boy, let me open this back up. Let me hit pause on the video. I'm gonna open up this SureTrader account. I actually closed it. Hold on for just a second. I'll get right back to it. All right, so I got into the trade at 1691 at 9:40. So right up in here. Yeah, 1691 right up here, but right below this break of 17. I wanted to break 17 because this is where this first down candle came. So I want to break below 17, and sure enough, it got a little pop up here. It got up to 1737, and then it came down towards 17. So I hit the trigger. I got a good feel. It was okay feel at 1691. It wasn't 17, but it was 1691, close enough for me. So I didn't want to stay in it long because it gave you a positive candle down, positive candle down. So these positive candles and the lack of volume, and plus it was good earnings. It could have been a buyback program, and then you got this consolidation right up in here. It could have went to the upside, but it didn't. It started to do it now, but it flushed down to 42. Yeah, 42, and all the way actually back down to 19, 16, 16. Yeah, 16, 17 down to here. But the flush was a lot later than when I got out. I got out at 1657. So the goal on my trades is 20 cents. 20 cents or better. I got 34 cents out of this name. So I got in at 1691 and I closed out at 1657. Right up in here, right in this candle. This is the candle that I closed it out. The other candles that you can see here, here, all positive. I just kind of waited through those because I was already in at a good price, so I didn't want to close out position. I don't want to give up my position. So I closed out right up at this bottom of this candle here, thinking it was the low. It dipped a little lower and then it kind of came back. So I'm glad I did close it out because it could have went popped to the upside if it wanted to, but it didn't. It was a lot weaker than I thought. So hindsight again is 2020. So I'm glad I closed it out. The goal was 20 cents. I got out at 34 cents as far as a gain, which is really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the P&L over here. As you can see, I posted this on Twitter. You can follow me at the Chart Stalker as far as Twitter is concerned. If I can get back out and you can show you my URL, you can see it right there at twitter.com/thechartstalker, and you'll get to this Twitter page. And at 8:15, no later than 9:15 Eastern Standard Time, I post my trades. You can see right here. That was that's what I post out every morning. This is the watch list that we just went over, and I said let the games begin. And every morning, if you want to get those indicators that I'm using in Thinkorswim, there'll be a PayPal link right below this video. When you click the PayPal link, it'll have all zeros. Type in 29900 and you can get those indicators and studies. When I get the notification that the PayPal went through, I'll contact you and we can go over those indicators and studies, usually on a Saturday or Sunday, and go through those indicators and show you exactly how I use them day in and day out for profit. Today, as you can see again, was 88.40, and just real quick, in and out. The account is still growing, hasn't suffered a drawdown yet at all with the indicators and studies that I'm using. The computer is going to be 10 times more accurate than you. Gut feeling and support and resistance is good, but the market has its own algorithm that goes with most trades right now on the exchanges that we're trading on as day traders are algos, are computer generated buys and sales. Once you figure that out and trade with the computer, with the trend, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna win. You're not gonna be a loser. You're gonna be a winner. So the indicators that I'm using is really good. I can go ahead and share those with you with your open up a TD Ameritrade. If you don't already have it open, go ahead and open one if it's free. If you want to test it out after you've purchased the indicators, it have TD Ameritrade has a paper side to where you can not risk 1 penny, not 1 cent. Real money. You can use it on paper to see if it actually works for you. Does it fit your trading style? Because it very well might not fit your trading style, but it still is a good indicator to have. So if you get those indicators, try it out on paper. They didn't use live money. I'm using SureTrader as my execution. You can use any executing broker if you want, but I'm using SureTrader for mine. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. And as I always say in parting, to live is Christ and to die is gain.